Why are habits so hard?
Great question. Good habits feel hard because your brain is designed to save energy. It likes routines that feel familiar even when they are not helpful. When you try to change everything at once, your brain panics and shuts down. But when you use micro steps, your brain relaxes and says yes. Today we explore how tiny actions can transform your whole life.
So, what does that actually mean?
This means you do not need giant goals to create real change. You only need one tiny action repeated every day. Habits form when your brain connects an action to a reward, and micro steps build that connection faster. You are training your brain to trust your choices through small wins. This is why kids and teens get better results with smaller steps, not bigger promises.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, your brain changes every time you repeat a tiny behavior. The prefrontal cortex grows stronger when you choose one small step instead of giving up. Small beginnings build great things, just like the mustard seed that grows into a tree. Small steps create new brain pathways, and those pathways lead you toward the person you want to become.
How does this show up in real life?
This shows up when you want better grades, but procrastinate. When you want cleaner spaces, but feel overwhelmed. When you want stronger friendships but forget to check in. And when you want a calmer mind but scroll instead. Big goals feel impossible, so your brain freezes. But micro steps make things doable, like reading one page, doing one push-up, or practicing one kind sentence.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small equals big because consistency beats intensity. Doing a tiny step every day builds trust inside your brain. Imagine pushing a snowball a few inches each day until it becomes huge. The same thing happens with your habits. Little choices stack and shape your character until one day you realize you have become strong without even noticing.
So, how do I start?
Here is your simple 3-step plan. Step 1 is thinking. Choose one habit that matters to your future, not 10. Step 2 is feeling. Celebrate one tiny win every day, even if it is small. Step 3 is doing. Take one micro step, like writing one sentence or cleaning one corner. These tiny actions teach your brain that progress is possible and worth repeating.
What should we do today?
Your challenge today is to choose one micro step and finish it in less than 1 minute. It might be drinking one sip of water before screen time, or putting one item away in your room. If this episode made habits feel easier and lighter, comment the word micro. And you are welcome to subscribe if our Growth Lab is helping you grow. Great habits do not come from big goals. They come from tiny moves repeated with patience. Every micro step strengthens your mind and builds your future. Keep taking little actions every day, and you will create a life full of steady growth and confidence.
See you in the next episode.